Thank you very much. My name is Chih, the founder of Chelpis. So today my topic is why different compared with our original topic is encryptions. So we are building a robotic now with some of partners in Taiwan. So let's go to first page. So for our world, we need using AI every day. For example, this is generated by AI. So the world will be modeled by robotic AI systems. So 2 days ago, Jensen Wang's, he says, okay, AI factory will be the chain to next years. A lot of factory will start to adopt the robot. But how they do it, and what kind of a robot can fit into the AI factory. So let me introduce status. So the robot visions that power tomorrow, from my point of view, at least you need to let your robot can more understand physical world, what it is. So sensor is very important. And second one, you need kind of open platform on the robot because robot is very complicated, cover different kind of area from mechanical, from the motor design and the battery. So this robot also needs a way to very easily to adapt exist workflow in the world. So that's my visions. And because the robot compare with all the notebook and the mobile phone, it can work and operate some things can damage the world. So everything we need to consider about the cybersecurity, especially on the post-quantum cryptography. So here's our vision. So robot to anything. One thing, AI robot need to working direct with a human, not only devices. And the second thing, you need to control and very, very carefully for every pace when you pass your tokens or control message. So this kind of device definitely need a AI large language model. In the fab, we now is kind of a hybrid structures, 5 robots, 2 people to working together to solve every things in the product lines. So what kind of encryption we will adopt into the infrastructures is a PQC. So algorithms evolve every day because of computing power goes up rapidly. So in the first quarter, you can see the Nasdaq, all the quantum computing company, their revenue goes 500 times compared with last quarters. So which means quantum computer is become very, very mature. So this picture shows all algorithm we're using will year by year, their security level will be decreased to very, very low. It cannot be used. So some of algorithm we are using need to change soon. So quantum computers can break in some algorithms in a minute, but using your traditional computing power, you need a larger amount of years. So we need to fix it. So we adopt and join the global standard with the NIST to invent post-quantum cryptography. So NIST finalize a few algorithms last years. Those algorithms, we are already implement some of the solution on the RISC-V platforms with not only hardware circuit, but also some extension instruction set. Yeah. So the vision we see in for example, a use case in the fab is the chips, their spec need adopt the AI. With the LLM, and then it can direct to support the encryptions because all the critical pace is very, very important. And from robot to robot, robot to humans, every communication should be protected. So here's some key parts for if you want to build in a drone, robotic, and robotic dog, here I have some common parts on those devices. So you can also see for a robot, you need to find a place to put your battery, put your motors, and let your controller become smaller. So we have a project start from this year's to building a next generation RISC-V chips with those features. That chip can widely control many different the end parts in the robot. So not only this chip, we also building some software systems how to protect data, how to protect the authentication life cycle, and help our customers can let the drone or their robotic can go into a field to adapt their environment with security. And we also have some learning framework structures that our chip can keep learning how to optimize when they go into a new field. So Chelpis is going to building a group or cybersecurity ecosystems with many different kind of partners with the sensors and the motor controllers and some cloud system providers and of course and this to building a new systems for robotics. So here is our infrastructures. Chelpis work for open source area for very, very long times. So if you're using any kind of PQC library, that comes from our company. For example, if you're using the Signal, the PQC algorithm is developed by our teams. And we also join many different alliances. So that's the 2-page. We are going to announce our development open platforms on the robotic drone and the robotic dog. So if you are this kind of area customers, you want to build in your robots, you want to build in your drone with partners, have an open platform, welcome to find us. So keep follow us building your drone and robot. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chih.